Okay, portfolio right now. Let's go to Ed's portfolio. Here's Ed's portfolio, and he's got some stuff here. So he did purchase one day the DY. Let's take a look at it right here at 69.2. It's dropping big. Why don't we do this? Why don't we buy 3 more, marking it as a disaster for this stock? So we'll just go with this. And I want you to take a look at this number right here. Okay, I want you to take a look at here as we work this. See this right here? As we work this, this should go up higher. You work in your portfolio. Okay. CAT. We're gonna pick up some more CAT. It's been dropped. It's 208.1, 208.1. Why don't we pick up 5 more? It's 207.02. So it's bouncing back a bit. So let's go 207.50. Let's see what we got in here. And of course, it doesn't have my favorite stock, which is Boeing. Oh, it does have it. Okay, 218.93. So why don't we pick up 10 shares at 219? If it catches, may catch it. Let's see what else we have here now. Let's see what that number is. That number should be up slightly, even though the market is down. Oh, I guess not. The market just dropped down. Let's see what else we got. Here's a good one right here. OLED. Drop 2 points. Let's pick up 5 shares. 206.20, 206.20. So see, I just go with 1 share because it's continued to drop. So we just buy 1 because there's more pain ahead for this guy. Let's go back up. We should be slightly up, maybe in the 200 range now. Maybe. Yep, almost there. I'd like to add to this guy. I know I don't like this guy. Well, okay, let's take a look at this guy right here. AIT, right? 86.88. Let's put in 86.78. Okay, so let's put in 10 shares. If you can catch 10 shares at 86.75. Let's see if he catches it. Then we have a deal on it. See how fast you put in your orders in. Your orders are going right now from now until 11 o'clock. You have to place in your orders now. FedEx, for sure. Let's put in 5 FedEx. 5 FedEx. 263.50. You know what? This may just catch this number 263.60 in the afternoon. We'll wait for that time. No problem. Market is still down, but at least your portfolio is up. 218. You see, the more you work it, the more you make gains out of it. MKSI, you see it? It's 144.98. Check this out. 144.98. 144.65. Very close. From 149 dropped down. So imagine it was up 149, dropped to 145. It may even go down to 142. Why don't we place in 5 orders at 143? See if we can get it. The portfolio should be up a little bit more. Let's see. You see this? The more you work it, the more this number goes up. This is the magic of MicroStrategy trading. Let's see what we got in here. Voya, okay? Enough pain for Voya. We got 20 shares. Why don't we double down on Voya? We're gonna do 10 more shares, right? 64.45. We'll do 64. No problem. Market is down, but your portfolio is up. Very important. Let's see what else we have here. Did we catch it? Did we catch the cat? You see the cat? We caught it. What did we catch it at? We caught it at 207.50. That's good. Okay. What else we got in here? I see something good here. Let's do the WFC. I like the WFC. WFC. Really been hammered down. We're going to pick up 10 shares. 43.9, 43.9. It's on its way down. Let's pick up some shares at 43.50. See if you can catch it. You know what the next guy is in line? BAC. Bank of America. It's been down too. We're not going for 100 shares. We're only going to go for 10 shares at $41. Give me 41, I'll take it. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's see if your portfolio is gonna hit 300 today. 223. We're working the portfolio. You see it? We're working it. FMC. Enough pain for FMC. We got 5 shares. We're gonna double down on FMC. Double down. What does that mean? I'm gonna go with 10 more shares on that. 93.20, 93.02. Why don't I go 93? May hit it. We'll take it. Let's see. Let's see the magic. Let's see. Went down because market is going down. It's okay. STX down bit. We're going to double down on it. Let's do 10 shares. 86.43, 86. Let's go 86. I'll take it at $86. There's an order here, so we're not going to do that one then. Let's go back here. Okay, this is the house portfolio. Take a look and see what's going on. We'll go back to Ed's portfolio. Okay, what else we have in here? Let's dump this guy right here. Okay, it's just, well, let's just hold off to it. It's still too high up, so we'll still make some money on it. Amgen. Do I want to pick up? Yes, let's pick up. Expensive, but let's see what we got, or how much we can get it for. Let's pick up 5 shares. 223.75. It's extremely close. You know what? I can get it at 222. If I can get it, I'll take it. If not, we'll move on. What are the goodies we have here? We got, okay, markets continued dropping down, but you're up at least. Trade desk. No, I don't want to touch it. Skyworks. I don't know. Don't want to touch it. I'd like to dump some stuff if there's anything we can dump here. So we need to free up some cash. Netflix gone up ridiculously. Why don't we add one more share to it? What's the highest on Netflix? Highest is 577.71. What does that mean? It may even go to 578. Let's take it. Shorting that baby. What else we got in here? We may get a wish with Boeing. Okay. Let's see what else we have. CME Group. Let's pick up 5 CME Group. Good company. 5, 200, 199.59. A little bit of a bounce. We'll go for 199.50. Guarantee when the Nasdaq comes down, this will do 199.50 for sure. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see if you're over 200. No, not just yet. Capital One Financial. I hate that. That is so expensive. But we'll just do as a test. We're going to do 2 more shares of it. 163.33 at 163. Let's see if it works. 163. See how fast you got to do things? You got to place your orders before 12 o'clock. And we should be up a little bit more. Not yet. XOM, a lot of pain. 54, it's a good deal. What do we add to our positions right here? Let's buy 11 because I'd like to keep 1, 54.05, 50C. It's very low. 53.50. Let's see. So I don't even know how many orders so far we placed, but I'm thinking probably we placed in a good 20 orders. FedEx, Dow. Let's do 10 Dow. 10 Dow. 61.93, 61.81. We'll go with 61.50. What else we got in here? LYB. I did mention it. 98.05, 97.80. Fair deal. It's in between. If I get 11 of them at 97.50, I'll take it because it's on its way down continuously. So we catch 97.50, drop to 98. See it? Very simple. You're 196. You're working it. You are working your portfolio. What else we got that we got to drop? Okay, you see this right? This space stabilized. You see that at $69. That means okay, it's close to the floor. Let's pick up 10 shares. How much we pick up 10 shares at? Went down to 68.56. That's right. It may touch that again. 68.60. I'll take it. See 69.7. That means it's still around that number. May hit the 68. What else we got? Hey, 211. See, you're working your portfolio. EOG, nah. IR, Ingersoll. When did we buy this garbage? 10 shares. Okay. 52. It's too high. Yeah, I don't even know why we bought this. Too close to 52-week low. High. So I'd like to get rid of it. Possibly. So why do we do this? We'll do something interesting here. IR. We take the IR. We're gonna sell it. Right. IR. We're gonna sell it. And we're gonna go the other way with it. We're gonna mark it down. IR. We're gonna mark it down as a short. We'll see how it's gonna go down. You're gonna see how it should go down really. Everything's up. Yes, there's a little bit fee with that. Okay, what else we got in here? 55. Mark it down 55 points. You're up almost $182. Not a bad sign. ALB. I don't want to keep this. This is a short. I'm going to say ALB. Gone up too far. ALB. Here we go. Dump it. Let's short this guy. And we'll watch for it. ALB. Short one share. Okay. I told you about Lucid. Let's see what we have on Lucid. LCID. Okay, 18 already. I wish we would pick up some earlier with 17. Why don't we pick up just 10 shares? Just for the fun of it. Because I know it will bounce back again. I'm just going to go on market on this because I'm not interested to take it out immediately. We'll sit on that for a while. Market's down almost 60 points. You're up 194. You're resisting against the market drop. Are you enjoying this, guys? You see this? You gotta enjoy this thing. Here we go. IBM. Let's see what else we have down here we can dump. Starbucks. I don't know. Nothing interesting to pick out. Take Two. Not a bad one. Let's take a look. It suffered long enough. Let's see what we got in here and take two. Let's go 10 shares on, you know what, 10 is a little too much for this portfolio. Yeah, let's go 10 shares. 162, 161. I'll take it at 161.50. If you give it to me, we have a deal. Yo, let's see. You work in your portfolio. Now that number should be higher. Your number should be higher. You're building the foundation of your portfolio. See, the market's still down, but you're resisting against going down because you're working your portfolio. Okay, what else we got in here? You know what? For the fun of it, let's just add another 2 shares to this short guy. It's on its way down. Two things going to happen. Either we're chasing it like everybody else, which I'm not very much for it. We're going to go with market on that. See, this is absolutely 100% risk-free. You're not really risking much in here because your worst case scenario would be a bunch of your stocks is not going to make money. You have a little bit of a loss sitting there, but it's okay. You gain it back. IBM is another good company. It's been range bound. Why don't we pick up 11 shares, right? Let's do 11 shares of this guy. Wrong area. 139.22, very close. Give it to me 139, we'll have a deal. Otherwise, I'm taking a walk. I'm taking my cash and I'm going to spend it somewhere else. Let's see. Let's see if you're over $210. I say 215. Almost 202. 202. Okay, CrowdStrike. This guy suffered. This guy did horrible. And it's still coming back. I don't get it. Weird. That's how the market is. We picked up at FMC. See FMC, we picked it up. Let's take a look. We picked up 10 shares at 93. This is the magic of putting your orders on limit. I don't like these. PGR. Not a bad company. Let's go for it. PGR. I'm going to pick up 10 shares. PGR. 10 shares. 95, 92, 95, 38. Why don't we go for 95, 40? 95, 40 is a reasonable number here for this. If it goes there again, if it visits it, get it. Let's say 211 right now. 211, 211. Give me 211. See 213. See, you know your portfolio by now. You know what you should expect from your portfolio. Skyworks. I don't know if we did this or not. We got rid of Sky. Let's see what else we have. I don't like this guy. I want to dump it, but I'll dump it soon. This went down. We dumped this yesterday. Here we go. UPS. Yeah, it's gone up a little, but it's okay. Let's pick up 5 UPS. 5 UPS. Here we go. What do you think it should be? 193.43, 195. It's not going to hit 193.43 anymore. I'll say 193.90 because it's already, the market's already down. That's resisting. It's like I'm out of here. I'm not good coming down. If I get a 193.90, it's fine. If not, we'll catch it tomorrow. Say 214. 217, I would say. Let's see. 208, close. What else we have in here? Akamai, not bad. We got 4 shares. Let's add another 10 shares to it. 10 shares. 113.62, 113. I'll go 113.50. I'll take it at that number. 217. Give me 217 here. 217, 207. Okay, no problem. Dollar Tree is a good one. It's been suffered long enough. I'd like to pick up 10 more shares of it. Let's do 11. So I have one to see. 90, 15, 89, 88. Let's go 89, 80. It's been coming down a lot. Give me 221. No, give me 207. 207. Yep, see? I am so good. I am so good. Okay, STX. You see this guy right here? Well, before we do that, let's get this guy right here. MKSI. MKSI, let's do 10 shares of it. What do you say? 10 shares. Okay, 145.74. It's very close to, let's do 144.50. I know we'll catch it. Looks like we have an order on that one. And 210. Let's see. Yes, I'm here. And W. Yes. I gotta get rid of this guy. I don't like this guy. It's not gonna go anywhere. Let's dump it. Not gonna go anywhere. Sell all garbage out of the portfolio. Free up some cash here. And let's see what else. CCK. I just came across it. Isn't that beautiful? 222. The more you work it, I guarantee that if you sit down here, the more you work this thing, you probably hit 300. But of course, your portfolio is not at a level that is going to give you 400 or 500. It will eventually, not today. 109.24. Let's do 11 shares. I'd like to get it at 108.50. If not, have a nice day. Not interested. 229, let's say. 229. Give me 229 here. 196 something dropped. What dropped? Let's see what dropped. Well, we picked up Voya, I believe. No, we didn't pick it up. We didn't pick it up yet. Let's see what else we have here. Something dropped here. Gotta get rid of this guy. I'd like to pick up 10 Pepsi. Let's do 10 Pepsi. At 156.50. If we can catch it, that's going to be a quick sell. Mm. 220. Okay, let's see. VIX. I don't want to add to VIX right here. I need some cash. Let me get rid of some garbage. I'd like to get rid of some of this stuff right here. Let's see if we have enough. See, we made about 140, 160. We can dump 200 shares of this so we can free up some cash. First in, last in, first out. This should be on last in, first out all the time. Go ahead and change it. Mr. Ed. We're going to dump it in market. Let's see if we have 235 in gain. I'd say 237. 223, close. Let's see. What else we get in here? You know what? I'd like to add to Starbucks because if the market goes up slightly positive, that will be up again. So 5 we do at 117.80. If it catches, that's fine because I know when the market goes up, becomes positive. This will definitely be positive. 231. 231. Give me 231 right here. 231, 209. Okay. That's okay. We're still over 200. Ralph Lauren. It's okay. I don't want to get rid of it right now. That was a good company. I don't like this guy. We'll leave it for now. Teradyne. Let's see if we can catch some Teradyne. 10 shares. 10 shares. Let's catch it at 120, 120. And that would be all for this portfolio. Let's see if I have 221. Nice. All right. Signing off. So as I said, the more you work it, the more this number will go up. But you need to have a good foundation on your portfolio. Enough names that in about a week, maybe less than that, you're going to start seeing gains on that. And then you pull out your gains. For now,